Hello kitchen queens and kings. Today we are going to use kurkure in a different way. We are going to make a very crispy, tasty and easy snack. It will take only 5 minutes to make and the taste will be so amazing and crunchy. I'm sure you are going to love it. So let's quickly start making it. So first of all we need 10 rupees kurkure or Taka-Tak pack. You can use any flavor. And we need to crush our kurkure or we need to break them in small parts. So I'm using a rolling pin like this on the closed packet of kurkure. Now let's take out the crushed kurkure in a ball and we will keep this ball aside for a while and let's move on to the next step. Let's take a mixing bowl and we will add 4 tablespoons boiled and mashed potato, 2 tablespoons finely chopped onions and 1 teaspoon finely chopped green chilies. If you are making this snack for the kids, you can skip using green chilies. And now we need to add our crushed kurkures. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons crushed kurkure in this bowl and saving some for the later use. Now we need to add a little salt as kurkure already has spices in it, they are already salty. So here I used only less than 1/4 teaspoon salt. And now let's mix all these ingredients properly. And our mixture is little dry, so here I am adding 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. If you have dhania chutney or coriander chutney at home, you can also use that, it will even taste better. Let's give it a good mix. And our mixture is absolutely ready. Now we need to take 4 bread slices and we will cut the edges. Our breads are also ready. Now we need to spread the kurkure mixture on the bread slices. So I am taking 2 to 3 tablespoon mixture of kurkure and aloo for 1 bread slice. Let's cover it with another bread slice. Press it gently. And for the next step, let's move on to the gas burner. And here on medium flame I have kept a pan on gas and our pan is hot, so let's grease it with ghee, oil or butter and let's place our sandwich. On medium flame we need to make our sandwich crispy from both the sides. You can also use sandwich maker or griller to make our sandwich crispy. And our sandwich is ready. You can see its color, it's looking so crispy. So let's take it out on a plate and let's move on to the next step. So now what do we need to do? We will take 2 to 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup and we will spread it on the sides or on the margins of our sandwich. And here also you can replace the tomato ketchup with mint chutney or coriander chutney or imli ki chutney. And now the crushed kurkure we saved earlier, we will spread them in a plate like this and we will wrap our sandwich with kurkure from the sides which we covered with ketchup. And our super tasty snack with bread and kurkure is ready to serve. And it is too crispy and crunchy. The taste is awesome. Just try it once. I'm sure you are going to love it and kids are surely going to become fan of this quick snack. So do try this at your home and tell me in the comment section how did you find this quick snack recipe. For more such easy tasty quick snack recipes you can visit my channel Sheena Arora, and if you're new to my channel please consider subscribing it. Tap on the bell icon too so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. We will catch up again really soon.